Hello and welcome back to my YouTube series tutorial, Basic Tutorial. And today I'm gonna show you how to install React Native Factor icons. So if you want to create an icon, you can use React Native Factor icon. Okay, you can search React Native Factor icons and go to GitHub repository by Oblader here, and then there are so many icons you can use. It has design and typo, FL icon, feature, font awesome 5, etc. And the the what you must do, just install it, React Native Factor icons. Okay, copy and then paste it here. Oh, I'm gonna use yarn instead of npm. Yarn install, yarn it. Okay, enter and wait until installed finish. Okay, and then I'm gonna using iOS simulator, but I will show you how to create in Android too. For iOS, you can create, you can add UI F1s on info.place. It was located on iOS pod file and no, my test app and info.place. And down here, you add another key, and the key is UI app fonts. Okay, and this is array, and down here pass string and the name of the fonts. I'm gonna include feature icons, for example. So it will be feature.ttf. Save it. You can add another one if you want. And then you must restart the the metro service. You close it and then you run again. But before that, you need to install the pod. How to install the pod? You just type npx pod install iOS and wait for installing the pod. Okay, finished, and then you run again the simulator with npx React Native for an iOS. I already restart the metro service and open your app, and I'm gonna modify this component. Import React from React. Okay, and then if you want to search the icon name, you can go to there's the way you can see the list icon on here. Also, if you use filter icon, you can go to official website on filter icons. Okay, I'm gonna using filter icon, so I'm gonna search the filter icon, and then there is a name. So I'm gonna um, create this anchor icons. So sorry. So inside this, I'm gonna import the filter icon first. The name is what you want to uh, use. You can use icon or anything, and the 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 package is from React Native Vector Icons slash and the icon what you want. I'm using filters, so it will filter, and then type icon, and the parameter name is the name of your icon, so it's anchor, so I'm gonna name it anchor also, and the size is the icon size, so I'm gonna size it into 24 and then save it. I'm sorry, import the view first. See, wait, I'm gonna style this. See, you can get the icon here. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next series tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts on the comment section below.